Hello friends, today we are going to learn about how to attempt the activities based on the textual passage. But before we try to understand how to attempt them, it is very important to know the nature of all these activities. Dear friends, what I am going to share here with you today is as per the guidelines provided by the SSC boards. So let's see the nature of the activities based on textual passage first. The first activity or activity number 1 will be simple factual activity. Here objective type questions will be asked to you, such as state whether the following statements are true or false, complete the following sentence, match the columns, etc. And the activity will be asked for 2 marks. Activity number 2 will be complex factual activity. This activity is included in your syllabus or in your paper pattern to check your understanding, to check your ability to get the relevant answer from the passage, from the whole passage actually. This activity can also be in the form of WH questions as well as complete the web, complete the table, etc. Again, this activity will carry 2 marks. Let's move toward the third activity. Activity number 3 will be vocabulary based activity, where you can be said to pick out the similar word from the passage, to pick out the opposite word from the passage, to pick out the similar or opposite phrase from the passage, or sometimes you can also be said to frame your own sentence using the particular word or particular phrase. These activities will also carry 2 marks. Now activity number 4. Activity number 4 will be based on textual grammar, where you can be given 1 or 2 grammar activities and you will have to solve them for 2 marks. While including the grammar activities, the utmost care will be taken that the activity or the grammar activity included in the question number 1, that is language study, will not be repeated again here. This activity will also be there for 2 marks. Now let's move towards the 5th activity, which is the most important one, because this is the activity what I have experienced is here this is the activity where students lose their marks. This is the activity of personal response or personal expression, where you are expected to write your own opinion, to express your own view. You do not get much help from the passage here. Somewhere indirectly the question is related to that of the passage, but you do not get the answer of this question directly in the passage itself, and hence it is considered as personal response question, which is absolutely based on your imagination, your power to visualize, and how you put it in the words on the paper. I'll suggest you one more thing here. While attempting this question, it would be advisable if you write the reference first, and the reference will include the name of the writer and the name of the lesson. After writing the reference, you can turn towards the actual answer of the question asked. This activity is again asked for 2 marks. Let's see how to attempt the activities based on the textual passage now. Dear friends, there is one passage here. See, read the following passage and do the activities. Activity number 1 is complete the following, which is simple factual activity. There are 4 sub questions included in this. The first one is, the king would send his men and his own dash to attend the man. As this is very simple, very easily you are going to get the answers of these in a given passage. See, let's see the first one. The king would send his men and his own series. Physician. He would send his men and his own physician to attend to him. He means none other than the king here. The second one is, the king went out of the hut to look for. The king then took leave of him and went out of the hut to look for the hermit. The hermit is the right answer. Third one, the king prayed the hermit to dash his questions. See, for the last time, I pray you to answer my questions. I am is none other than the king here. Okay, so answer is the right option or right word. If the king would not bound his dash, the man would have died. For this, come here. For if you had not bound his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So wounds is the right answer. So let's try it. What can we write here? Here, physician, the hermit. Third one, to answer, wound. So in this way we have attempted activity number 1. Let's move to activity number 2 now. This is complex factual activity. Complete the reasons. See, here you need to understand the passage thoroughly. You need to comprehend the passage thoroughly, and based on that you'll have to answer them. The king was happy because, see here, see the first line here. The king was very glad to have made peace with an enemy so easily and to have gained him for a friend. So the answer is somewhere here. You may not find the word happy from given one in the passage here. Instead of happy, there is another word used here, glad. You need to understand that these two are similar words. So how will we write the answer? See, the king was happy because of course we need to make slight change in this one. How will we write? For example, I'll show you one. As I'm solving this in activity sheet itself, there is not enough space to write, but I'll try to write the first one. According to the given part of the sentence, you need to make slight changes in a sentence. The king was happy because, I'll write, he had made peace with an enemy so easily. If you need, you can add for the part also, and had gained him for a friend. Okay, next one. Now is the most important time because answer is here. It's the only time when we have any power. It's very easy, no need to make any change. Third one. We have been sent into this life because, see, and the most important thing is to do this person good, because for that purpose alone were you sent into this life. The answer, you'll have to pick out the answer from this sentence. Of course, you need to make necessary changes according to the given part of sentence. We have been sent into this life because I'm going to write the answer here. I have made little change here. We have to do good with others. The most necessary person is the one with whom you are, because, see, the most important person is the one with whom you are, because, instead of because here for is used, because you do not know whether you will ever have dealings with anyone else. Because you do not know whether you will ever have dealings with anyone else. So in this way we have attempted activity number 2. Let's turn towards the next one. Pick out a pair of opposites from the passage. Let's go to the passage now. See, you have been said to pick out the opposites from the passage itself. So I'll say, you see here there is one word, enemy, and here there is another word, friend. So you can pick out this pair: enemy, opposite, friend. You have been said to pick out two pairs. So you can, here there is one word, or here answer, the another word is question. So in this way you have picked out two opposite words from the passage itself. Then second question from activity number 3 is give verb forms of. The first one is answer. So answer itself can also be used as a verb without making any change. Okay, and another word is necessary. So the verb form of the word necessary is necessitate. Necessitate. Next one, do as directed. If you had not pitied me, you would have been killed. If you had not pitied me, you would have been killed. Change to compound sentence. See, the given sentence is the complex sentence and you have been said to convert it into compound sentence. So I'll make it in this way. I'm going to write it here itself. You had pitied me, therefore you have not been killed. You had pitied me, therefore you have not been killed. Now we have converted it into compound sentence. Next grammar activity is the most important time was when you were digging the beds. Change to positive degree. See, even this sentence is from the given text itself. No other time was as important as, this is the most important thing, as important as the time when you were digging the beds. So we have attempted the grammar activities too. Now let's turn towards the activity number 5. That is the most important activity, and it is the question of personal response. I'm going to show you the reference here. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Explain it with reference to the passage. You have been said to use some information from the passage itself here, but before that, as I said you before, you need to write the reference. So how will you write the reference? I'm going to show it here now. The above question is based on actually it is parable. So instead of the word lesson, I'll be writing parable. The above question is based on the parable. 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. See friends, I have written here the title of the lesson and the name of the poet. And I'll have to write one more sentence here that will be telling about what is the lesson about. It tells about the importance of time, person, and actions in our life. So this is the reference. and patience is bitter but its fruit is sweet, you may begin to write from here. So if you cover all the things well, no, surely you'll get 2 marks for this question. I hope in today's videos you would have understood how to attempt the activities based on the textual passage.